Oh, it's a dog. No sugar?
You on this side? Okay, perfect. All right.
I'd say the best is behind us. So ladies and gentlemen, from this point forward, and I'm proud to say that just
ones because those ones are too nice. I put too much coffee grounds, like way too much.
Orange beside the tray. You put the face to it, right? And then you're like, oh, yeah.
She's there, Doris on the left. Yes. Up Yellow House. There she is with her husband to wave us by.
I think we'll have one of each. Yes, please.
Why don't we do that?
About 6 months in India, 6 months here.
Have lots of fun.
Hundreds. I know why.
My empty envelope ready.
I don't know how they were going to build it or where they were going to build it. And imagine what it must have been like to hear.
Whoa. Form an antique shop at Three Valley Gap. And as well.
I would do the Sauvignon Blanc.
Okay. So second layer, just like
Thank you.
Welcome.
You're
welcome.
We only have those glasses, but now we have to use these.
We just sell pieces of better.
Right.
Like honors really buy.
You know how it is. It's just when you're making a big investment like that.
She's really happy. She's like, there was all that's my line.
And then from there we're normally about 45 minutes to an hour to Banff.
I guess it has to be that's enough.
Style, they said, well, we were going to name a field anyway, so we'll just keep it. And so, ladies and gentlemen, we're passing a town. Ladies and gentlemen, give yourselves a round of applause. You did it! Yes! Yes! But you get to see that, and I'm really glad you got a chance to. And on a beautiful, actually be a nice yellow tree right next to the... That's a pretty... We've gone up quite a bit in a pretty short period of time, haven't we? That's amazing.
Waterfalls coming out the rocks.
You're living pretty well on the money.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, come in to spread it.
Now, before everyone gets excited, grabs your cameras and says, oh, I want to get a picture of Lake Louise.